Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video I'll be going over adding text to your model in Solidworks. So to start off, I'm just going to start a sketch on this surface here. I'm already in a sketch by accident. So sketch. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw a line of where I want that text to be. So I'm going to go for construction. I'm going to draw a line from here to there. And I got to up here where it says text. I select this line here. I add my text as such. And my text has been added. Now you can leave it like that, but you can also, if you want to, extrude it to be an extrude cut or to come out. So that's it coming out a meter. Probably only want like 0.2 or something if you just want it to be proud. And then you can also do a cut as well, extrude cut. So instead of going down a meter, 0.2. And that way it's embedded in the model. So depending what you're doing, you may or may not want that, or you might just want it to be text written in a sketch. But that's how you do it in SolidWorks, and thanks for watching.